Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. Look! New studio, new look, same great flavor. Maybe that's a bit weird. Nah, anyway, this video, we're gonna talk real quick about a really cool Editor X challenge that is coming up, and I want you to be a part of it. So, let's do it. All right, friends, check this out. Editor X has a new challenge called the Hover Interactions Edition Challenge. So basically in Editor X, we could do lots of real cool things like hover interactions. I've shown you some of these cool things with our pizza video, with the pizza ingredients falling from the sky, all that cool stuff. So what we want to do is challenge you to redefine with what's possible in web design by competing in this new challenge where you get to create hover interactions and you get full reign, full creative control, and you get to submit your best hover interactions. You can submit as many as you want, and we want to see who can create the best hover interactions. Now, I'm sure all your hover interactions are going to be special, but someone is going to be the most specialist, and that person is going to win prizes. So the winners are going to be announced at the end of September, and they're going to receive 2 free 1-year Editor X premium plans, the title of Creator of the Month, and some features on the Editor X social and community channels. So I recommend that you head over to editorx.com/design-challenge, submit, get in there, register, and follow the rules and the guidelines. There's also some resources on the page here, a challenge kickoff video by my buddy Brandon with Editor X, and you got to check that out. I encourage you to join this challenge, test your creative ability, and create some real sick hover interactions. I'm excited to see what you are going to come up with, and until next time, we'll see you in another video. Cheers.